There are many Valentine's Day bear products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Valentine's Day bears from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. The Valentine's Day Bear. Rating 4.7. Our Valentine's stuffed animal or Valentine's Day plush toy is lovingly designed to become an adorable childhood companion. This charming Valentine's Day plush is an ideal gift that will be cherished for years, creating beautiful memories. Witness a friendship bloom between your child and this plush pal. Barrington is synonymous with global excellence in plush toys. Our renowned brand is celebrated for opulent fabrics, unparalleled craftsmanship, and uniquely designed stuffed puppy and dog plushies. Elevate festivities with Barrington's holiday stuffed animals, embodying custom luxury and utmost quality. Our collection ranges from timeless teddy bears to lifelike dog plushies, feline companions, and holiday stuffed animals. Number 4. Kissy Plush Bears. Rating 4.8. Cute, cuddly, and ready to snuggle. On Valentine's Day and beyond, this darling pair is sure to make your sweetie feel your loved one hug at a time. An adorable way to say, I love you. Customize the red heart with any 3-line message up to 9 characters each. What a fun way to show how much you care. The bears are held together with an interior magnet, and they hold the heart with Velcro. Delight your significant other with a gift that will put a smile on their face. Perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or anytime you want to share your love. Number 3. Goodissy Teddy Bear. Rating 4.9. A brown heart emblem on its left chest bears the words I love you, conveying profound emotions. The distinctive paw imprints on each foot echo this message, encapsulating love in its purest form. Filled with ultra-flexible cotton, this teddy bear stuffed animal remains plump and resilient, ensuring a prolonged huggable experience that never loses its tender touch, becoming your most cherished companion. Featuring a back zipper for adjustable stuffing, this thoughtful addition allows you to customize the bear's weight to your liking. The adorable short tail is the perfect finishing touch, making it a fitting gift for various occasions and holidays, while also serving as a heartwarming decor piece. Number 2. Glow Guards Teddy Bear. Rating 5.0. This bear plush toy is the perfect companion for any child or adult. Delicately stuffed for ultimate softness, it's perfect for snuggles and hugs. Whether used as a decorative piece or as a comforting companion, this white bear plushie is sure to bring joy and warmth to any room. People who love bears will fall in love with this Valentine's Day themed bear. Our bear stuffed animal is filled with high-quality PP cotton, with a skin-friendly material that won't harm your skin or your child's. It maintains its shape even after long-term use. Our plush toys are compressed, so their initial shape may deform. You can restore their shape by firmly kneading them. Number 1. Rose's Bear for Women. Rating 5.0. The bear is made of soft plush fabric, and the inside of the ears is filled with cotton, making it comfortable to hug. The bear has a sweet and lovely appearance, and it is a perfect gift for your girlfriend, wife, mother, daughter, or friend on Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year, birthday, anniversary, or any other special occasion. Forever flowers, which are vivid and realistic in appearance. The roses are arranged in a heart shape, and the whole arrangement is beautiful and romantic. The rose arrangement is not only suitable for Valentine's Day, but also for weddings, anniversaries, home decoration, and other occasions. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.